meaningful conversations on the situation. The police force has been put on alert throughout the state. Here is more from our correspondent.
As soon as the news of the Chief Minister's health began trickling down, most of AIA-DMK cadres started gathering in front of the hospital seeking the divine help for the leaders and favorite Murali. Women who were waiting from yesterday at 9 o'clock would not leave the place but rather kept waiting for the beloved Amma. Police cordons were put up to control the swelling crowd and maintain law and order near the Apollo campus. A large media contingent is also waiting at the Apollo hospital to monitor developments on the health of the Chief Minister. Joy, AIA News, Chennai.
President Pranab Mukherjee has expressed concern over the health of the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister. In a tweet, Mr. Mukherjee said he is distressed to hear about Ms. Jayalalitha suffering a cardiac arrest. In a tweet, Indian Information and Broadcasting Minister Venkaiah Naidu also expressed concern for Ms. Jayalalitha and prayed for a quick response to treatment and speedy recovery. Leader of opposition in Tamil Nadu, Justice and Salad, hope that the treatment being given to the Chief Minister will yield results and she will recover soon. Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi also prayed for Ms. Jayalalitha's quick recovery. He expressed hope that she will get better very soon. The sixth Heart of Asia Ministerial Conference concluded last evening after adopting the Amritsar Declaration. Briefing the media, Finance Minister Arun Jaitley said the declaration recognizes terrorism as the biggest threat to peace and demands an immediate end to all forms of terrorism. Mr. Jaitley said the nations are concerned at the high level of violence in Afghanistan caused by the Taliban and other terror groups, including the Islamic State and its Pakistan-based affiliates, Lashkar-e-Taiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed, and others. He said the nations recognize the necessity of taking serious measures to address the recruitment of youth to extremist and terrorist networks.
Terrorism was really at the core of the discussion. The region which has been adversely impacted by terrorism, and therefore by the President of Afghanistan and the Prime Minister of India, where terrorism was the center stage issue.